Questo è.
The three things that we need to produce wine is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. If you like to produce in your basement 1 bottle of wine or 3 bottles of wines, if you like to produce 3 milliards or 3 millions of bottles. This is a machinery by when the grape came from the vineyards. We introduce here the grape, and we have the separation between the ashen of the chicco and the skeleton. So, and the grape, so the structure, they go outside, and by this one pump go here. Go here, and this is the press. That is the new style press. We press direct. These are the old style. Old style that we did by the in this way. Now we are doing this. This is a new style press. From there, go here. We soft press, and after go in the tank. In the tank we have the fermentation. That is the most important things. 1, 2, 3, 10. Fermentation means that the sugar that we have in the chicco, the sugar, develop itself by the fermentation in alcohol. And when we have the skin of the grape, if here we have the red skin, we produce red wine. If we have white skin, we produce white wine. Are you understanding? Because the color it is in the skin. So by the fermentation, the skin immediately gives the color to the wine.